Here's Pootie's little special pup again. Pootie just stirred, so they were hugging each other around the arms, and they moved. So let's see what the little pup does now. Should snuggle right up with its mom. Very, very close. It's going to hide. I'm going to come through the other side. Let's see. No, she's going to pull over. She really snuggles around her neck. It's very, very tired, and Pootie's very, very tired. Just sweetie. It's alright. Good girl. Good mommy, yes. Good mommy. I'm tuckered out. We could just watch it for hours. Of course, we have watched it for hours. There's this one. Look at this one. Right between her back legs. Just rest in there. Going a little bit. Sleeping away. Little feet and toes. Look at those feet. It's like a little person's feet sticking up there. See if I can get it. It's kind of dark. There we go. Very precious. Look at that. It's nighttime. It's very dark in here. Just the snow, 8 inches or something, so we got the heaters going, got everybody warm, ready for bed. A couple are showing some, like there's a little white foot on this one, the left foot has a white tip, so that's how we're starting to try and tell them apart, is their little different markings. Most of them are solid. That one's pretty unique, the white foot there. These two are the apricots. We like to lay together. Some sleepers over here. Oh, there we go. Little stretches. Night, Pood.